Internet, what's up? This is Rob from TechGuysSmartBuy.com, and today we're talking about cars that you can actually buy or soon will be able to buy at the 2018 New York International Auto Show. Now, don't get me wrong, I love concepts just as much as the next guy, but a lot of times those concepts don't make it, or the actual design that you fell in love with don't make it into production. So again, just wanted to focus on vehicles that are actually coming in that same shape and form that you see right here. Now, Nissan wanted to redesign their flagship, which is the Altima. So this is the 2019 Nissan Altima. It comes with a variable compression turbo engine, and their first Altima to actually have all-wheel drive available. You'll also have Nissan's Pro Pilot assistant features, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as per usual. Next up, you have the Volkswagen Arteon, the replacement for the Passat CC. It's a fastback design with a nice and lovely interior, great technology, and all-wheel drive on every trim. A 2.0-liter turbocharged engine and 268 horsepower. Next up, you got Jaguar's IPace, which is their all-electric SUV, priced at starting around 70 grand. You have 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds and a range of 240 miles. You have a Waymo edition of the iPace, which is them partner with Google for the suite of self-driving cars. Lincoln brings back the Aviator with the same style and flair as the Navigator, but now this is a plug-in hybrid, and then you have some of Ford's Smart Assist driving features built within it. We don't know the pricing yet, but we know it's definitely coming next year, and it's not a concept. This is an actual production vehicle. And last but not least, we have the redesigned 2019 Toyota RAV4 that actually looks like an SUV. You got all-wheel drive, and you even have a hybrid trim of this guy. Still no pricing on this as well. But there are way more cars and concept vehicles at the auto show this year as per usual. Now, we have fun like we always do. It ends this week, so make sure you hurry up if you do decide to do so. Thanks for watching. Could be anywhere in the world, but you're here with us, and see you next video. Peace.